In today's show, Bitcoin eyes $36,000 support as chart hints at potential golden cross within weeks. That's right, in today's show, I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis. And as Analyst Rec Capital points out, Bitcoin has enjoyed such a recovery that the two death cross EMAs have begun to flick upwards. If Bitcoin continues to hold these highs or rally higher, then a best case scenario golden cross could occur in late August. And as Mikhail Van de Pop shares, so far so good for Bitcoin, checking out this $48,000 target. And he asked his audience, are we seeing Bitcoin above $100,000 this year? 59% said yes. Also, his document in Bitcoin points out, as of today, Google ads for Bitcoin are no longer banned. And breaking news, fast food chain Quiznos will accept Bitcoin at select locations starting mid-August, and eligible customers will receive $15 in BTC rewards. Also in today's show, Binance to bring Bitcoin payments to Shopify via new partnership. That's right, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, announced a partnership with crypto fiat hybrid payment platform Alchemy Pay to enable peer-to-peer crypto payments at over 2 million global merchants through its payments application, Binance Pay. Also in today's show, Crypto Analyst predicts massive Ethereum breakout and forecasts new Bitcoin all-time high by November. That's right, a prominent crypto analyst says he expects both Bitcoin and Ethereum to put up stellar performances towards the end of this year. And he also says that a flippening or overtaking of Bitcoin in terms of market cap is in store for Ethereum. Quoting him here, this consolidation will come to an end soon. The flippening is knocking the door. And he also goes on to predict Bitcoin meteorically rising to a new all-time high of around $80,000 by November. I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's show, Celsius CEO still sees Bitcoin finishing the year between $140,000 and $160,000. That's right, Alex Mashinsky, CEO of crypto lending platform Celsius, says he's standing by his prediction of Bitcoin ending 2021 somewhere in the $140,000 to $160,000 range. I'll be breaking this down for you. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As we can see, Bitcoin currently correcting as Ethereum and some of the alts are breaking out in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and earn up to a 7.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account. And their new flagship product is this BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, where you can earn 3.5% back in Bitcoin on all your purchases within your first 90 days, then 1.5% back thereafter. They also recently ditched their annual fee, truly making this offer a no-brainer to take advantage of this, as well as receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $100 or more. Go ahead and use my referral link in the description right down below, and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover as usual, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin returned to hit local lows of 37,500 this morning on Wednesday, and a fresh installment of its come down from above $42,000, as you can see here in the Bitcoin 1-hour candle chart. So far, so good as Bitcoin cools. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin repeatedly challenging, then briefly breaking through the $37,500 mark this morning on Wednesday, as the market digested comments from Gary Gensler, the new chairman of the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. Bitcoin price action continued to retrace progress from the previous week. Quoting the chairman right here, there's a lot of hype masquerading as reality in the crypto field. Nakamoto's innovation is real. There you have it. And as Cointelegraph reported, traders were keenly eyeing $36,000 as an important support, a showdown with which Bitcoin has yet to begin. And checking out the latest from Analyst Mikhail Van de Pop, he points out, so far, so good for Bitcoin. And he also asked his audience in this poll, are we seeing Bitcoin above $100,000 this year? 7,800 people responded, 59.6% put yes, while 29.3% say no. What are your thoughts? Do you feel we're likely to break out above 100,000 before the end of this year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Now let's take a look at the order book data from major exchange Binance, which highlights the veracity of support at the target level, with sellers still lined up at $41,000 and above. All right, now let's dive into some bullishness this with a potential golden cross on the horizon. Fellow trader Rec Capital remained optimistic, forecasting an increasingly anticipated golden cross event on Bitcoin as soon as the end of this month. Now, a golden cross is the counterpart to the death cross, involves the rising 50-day moving average price crossing above the 200-day moving average. The latest price increase, while partially reversed, has nonetheless managed to push such a scenario forward after the death cross in June. Quoting Rec Capital right here, Bitcoin has enjoyed such a recovery that the two death cross exponential moving averages have began to flick upwards. If Bitcoin continues to hold these highs or rally higher, then a best case scenario golden cross could occur in late August, as you can see right here in this chart. And to check out his entire golden cross analysis here in this Twitter storm, check the show notes below the video. Meanwhile, in terms of market sentiment, interest in higher price levels was firm throughout the week despite the retracement. Strong on-chain data combined with conspicuous, albeit unknown, buying activity to buoy the bulls further. Now checking out some breaking news as of today. Google ads for Bitcoin are no longer banned. About time, Google. And also, as Bitcoin Magazine points out, national fast food chain Quiznos will now accept Bitcoin at select locations starting mid-August, and eligible customers to receive $15 in BTC rewards. And before I break down our next story of the day, Binance to bring Bitcoin payments to Shopify via new partnership, as well as crypto analyst predicts massive Ethereum breakout and forecasts new Bitcoin all-time high by November, as well as Celsius CEO still sees Bitcoin finishing the year between $140,000 and $160,000. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin barely in the red, trading at $38,350. We have Ethereum up 0.5%, trading just above $2,500. Cardano up 2%, trading at $1.34. Polkadot up 0.5%, trading at $17.57. And Chainlink up about 0.5%, trading just above $23. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, continues actively expanding into the crypto payments industry through a new crypto to fiat integration. The company announced on Tuesday a partnership with crypto fiat hybrid payment platform Alchemy Pay to enable peer-to-peer crypto payments at over 2 million global merchants through its payments application, Binance Pay. The new integration will allow users and merchants to pay and accept payments using 40 supported cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in 18 countries where Alchemy Pay operates. Binance Pay users will be able to pay across merchants of Alchemy Pay's partners, including e-commerce giant Shopify, software technology company Arcadia, mobile payment provider QF Pay, and others. Founded in 2018, Alchemy Pay operates a global crypto fiat payment gateway through 300 fiat and crypto payment channels in 65 countries around the world, according to the company's website. The company's merchant network also includes Hong Kong's biggest furnishing company, PriceRite, and Singapore's C'est La Vie Canadian footwear brand Aldo, and Midwest Global Asia Taxi Services. The firm is also running its own token, Alchemy Pay, ACH, an Ethereum-based token used to incentivize the ecosystem to access the network's consumption and governance. The ACH token has been seeing a skyrocketing surge recently, with its price rising more than 1,680% over the past 2 weeks. And at the time of this recording, is currently trading at about 2.4 cents, up nearly 100% over the past 24 hours, according to data for CoinGecko. And on Tuesday, the token was listed by major global crypto exchange Coinbase, and you can see it going absolutely parabolic in the recent weeks. Now check this out. Alchemy Pay CEO John Tan said that Alchemy Pay's partnership with Binance significantly expands the practical backbone applications we build between the crypto and fiat worlds. He also noted that the total value of the crypto market was less than 0.1% of what it was today when Alchemy Pay was first launched. And as previously reported, Binance Pay is a contactless peer-to-peer crypto payment feature on Binance, allowing users to send and receive crypto payments around the world. The app was launched in public alpha this March and is available to all eligible Binance users. So there you have it. And before I break down our next story of the day, crypto analyst predicts massive Ethereum breakout and forecasts new Bitcoin all-time high by November, as well as Celsius CEO sees Bitcoin finishing the year between $140,000 and $160,000. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just under 1.5 trillion with 63 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is at 48.5%, with the Ether dominance just under 20%. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have AXS up 13%, trading at $43. Quant up 11% for the day and 74% for the week, trading at $167. And Ravencoin up 10% for the day, trading at $7.99 0.2 cents. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have Voyager token down 11% for the day, but still up almost 40% for the week, trading at $2.83. Stacks down 8%, trading at $1.31, and Hedera Hashgraph down 4% for the day, trading at 21 cents. Now out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you currently most bullish on during this bull cycle? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the crypto greed and fear index. Shows we're currently rated a 42 in fear. Yesterday was a 48 neutral, last week a 50 neutral, and last month a 29 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. A prominent crypto analyst says that he expects both Bitcoin and Ethereum to put up stellar performances towards the end of this year. The crypto strategist known in the industry as Immortal tells his 56,000 Twitter followers that Ethereum is poised to ignite a strong rally against Bitcoin and surge as high as 0.11 BTC, worth about $4,203 at this time. He also says that a flippening or overtaking of Bitcoin in terms of market cap is in store for Ethereum, as he predicts right here. This consolidation will come to an end soon. The flippening is knocking the door. Let me know if you agree or disagree with this analyst that Ethereum will eventually flip the Bitcoin market cap. Now, Immortal's price prediction represents potential gains of over 70% from Ether's current value of 0.064 BTC or $2,445. According to the trader's chart, Ethereum could achieve the price target by this October. And as for Bitcoin, the crypto trader also sees the leading crypto meteorically rising to a new all-time high of around $80,000 by November. According to Immortal, Bitcoin's daily chart looks very similar to its price action at the start of 2020 when Bitcoin rallied from $7,000 to $10,000 in a few weeks. And as he shares in this tweet, 7K versus 30K, reversal fractal, which shows the Bitcoin price soaring all the way up past $80,000 by this November. Do you agree or disagree with this crypto analyst? Holla at your boy in the comments right down below. Now let's talk about his long-term prediction. Looking at Bitcoin from a long-term perspective, Immortal says he believes that the current boom cycle will be longer than its predecessors. He also predicts that Bitcoin could top out at $150,000 in the first half of 2022. What's your cycle top prediction for this bull run? Let me know in the comments. And after the bull market, however, the trader forecasts a massive 80% drop in Bitcoin's value to around $30,000, where it could bottom out and enter a new phase of consolidation by 2023. As you can see right here in this chart, 4-year cycles on Bitcoin. Now, I also want to point out that I had Bobby Lee on the show, who was the creator of the first Bitcoin exchange in China, and he also predicts a 80% drop after it tops out this cycle. So I would not be surprised to witness an 80% correction after we top out this market cycle. But the $1 million question is, what will be the cycle top? Do you feel it will be 150,000? Do you feel it will be 220,000 as Max Kaiser predicts before the end of this year? Do you believe it will be Willy Woo's top cap model at 300,000 this cycle? Holla at your boy in the comments below. And before I break down our final story of the day, Celsius CEO still sees Bitcoin finishing this year between $140,000 and $160,000. But before I break this down, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 865 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button to help support the channel. Also smash that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also follow me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes and Google Play. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Alex Mashinsky, CEO of crypto lending platform Celsius, says he's standing by his Bitcoin price prediction of BTC ending 2021 somewhere in the $140,000 to $160,000 range. Let's go BTC. In a new interview with Yahoo Finance, Mashinsky says he sees Bitcoin's main purpose as being a store of value rather than other specific utility. Quoting him here, Bitcoin's main purpose is the store of value, right? It's not an exceptional form of payment. I think the dollar is the opposite. It's an exceptional form of payment, but not a very good store of value. I think there are many cryptocurrencies or digital assets that serve that purpose better, mostly stablecoins and other forms of digital assets. So I don't think we should take this pristine asset and try to use it to clean the windows or something else with it. It's very good for one thing, and that's of a store of value, and that's what you should be using it for. That's right, and the Celsius CEO also says that once Bitcoin breaks a certain range, which is not far above its current prices, that Bitcoin won't be facing any tough resistances until new all-time highs, which is currently at about that $65,000 mark. Also, I think 42,000 is the critical line in the sand. Once we can break that resistance and flip it into support onwards and upwards to new all-time highs. Now check this out. Mashinsky adds that he sees Bitcoin flying above 140,000 by the end of the year for a rally of 265% based on the current price of around $38,000. Quoting him again here, I think we're also hitting some resistance here in the $40,000 to $45,000 levels, and there is not a lot of resistance above that. So I think we're going to consolidate here and break to new highs. I still stand by my prediction that this year we'll see anywhere between $140,000 and $160,000 per Bitcoin. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the Celsius CEO. What's your cycle top prediction for this cycle as well as this year? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. Bitcoin eyes $36,000 support as chart hints at potential golden cross within weeks. Also shared breaking news that as of today, Google ads for Bitcoin are no longer banned. And as Bitcoin Magazine points out, Quiznos will now accept Bitcoin at select locations starting mid-August, and eligible customers to receive $15 in BTC rewards. Also, Gary Gensler is bullish on the king of all crypto. Also in today's show, we discussed Binance to bring Bitcoin payments to Shopify via a new partnership with over 2 million merchants worldwide. Also in today's show, we discussed crypto analysts predicting a massive Ethereum breakout and forecast a new Bitcoin all-time high of $80,000 by this November. Also in today's show, we discussed the Celsius CEO still sees Bitcoin finishing the year between $140,000 and $160,000. But where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And don't forget to smash my referral link in the description right down below to claim your BlockFi Bitcoin rewards Visa credit card so you can start earning 3.5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.